نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم اما بعد فاعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Honorable President, respected teachers, and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. I feel proud and privileged to stand in front of you. Today I am going to present the topic of my speeches. Let us change Pakistan. Allah Ta'ala says in the Holy Quran, Inna Allah la yughayyiru ma biqawmin hatta yughayyiru ma bi anfusihim. Indeed, Allah will not change the condition of a nation until they change what is in themselves. Mr. President, today I stand in front of you not just as individual, as a voice seeking hopes and dreams of millions of Pakistanis. We live in a country blessed with immense potential, natural resources and a vibrant culture. But despite this, we face numerous challenges from poverty and unemployment to corruption and education crisis. We must promote Pakistan's rich culture, heritage and celebrate our diversity. We must recognize the potential of our youth and empower them to lead. علامہ محمد اقبال says, اپرادھ کے ہاتھوں میں ہے اقوام کی تقدیر، اپرادھ کے ہاتھوں میں ہے اقوام کی تقدیر، ہر پردہ ہے ملت کے مقدر کا ستارہ. Mr. President, change doesn't come anything from depending on others to act. Change begins with each of us in our homes, our schools, our workplaces. It begins within and of course with every Pakistani willing to take responsibility for the future of this great nation. Mr. President, let us change our minds for too long. We have blamed others, our leaders, our circumstances, even our history for the state of our country. But the reality is we are as much part of the solution. We are part of the problem. A poet says, جو سوچ بدلے گا وہی زمانہ بدلے گا، جو سوچ بدلے گا وہی زمانہ بدلے گا، دلوں کے آئینے میں نیا افسانہ بدلے گا. Mr. President, let us end this immediately. Corruption has plagued our society from the highest offices to the lowest level of governance. Dishonesty and nepotism have eroded the foundation of our nation. Mr. President, it is a societal disease that we must meaningfully fight. Let us practice transparency in our lives, in our workplaces, and our dealing with one another. Only then can we build Pakistan. This is just and fair. Nelson Mandela says, education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. منزل سے آگے بڑھ کر منزل تلاش کر، منزل سے آگے بڑھ کر منزل تلاش کر، مل جائے تجھ کو دریا تو سمندر تلاش کر. ہر شیشہ ٹوٹ جاتا ہے پتھر کے چوٹ سے، ہر شیشہ ٹوٹ جاتا ہے پتھر کے چوٹ سے، پتھر ہی ٹوٹ جائے اس کا تلاش کر. Respected teachers, let us believe in the power of hope. We can change the course of our beloved country's future. Our nation has gone through many hardships from economic crisis to natural disaster. We must believe in the possibility of a better Pakistan, a Pakistan where justice, peace and prosperity prevail for all. The modern era of technology, as Elon Musk once said, the future economic development lies in innovation. Dear fellows, together we can uplift our community, strengthen our institutions, and build a country where everyone has the opportunity to thrive. The power to change Pakistan lies in our hands. It is not just a dream, but a responsibility. So let us courage, vision, and determination. Let us change Pakistan for ourselves and for future generations. Let us change Pakistan not tomorrow, not later, but today. I would like to wind up my speech with these Urdu verses. بدلے گا پاکستان اگر ہم بدلیں گے، بدلے گا پاکستان اگر ہم بدلیں گے، قدم بڑھا کے منزل کی راہ نکالیں گے. نئے خواب ہوگے نئے عزم و ارادے، نئے خواب ہوگے نئے عزم و ارادے، اس وطن کو ہم روشنی سے سجائیں گے. والسلام، پاکستان زندہ باد.